production of food or cosmetics, hygiene is of major importance. Strict cleanliness requirements also apply to components of machines, cars, or IT. The cleaning of components and surfaces must therefore be taken into account as early as the system design and production process. The cleaning medium must reach every point in sufficient quantity and with the required cleaning effect. The type, number, and position of nozzles, as well as the pressure and angle at which the cleaning medium impinges, are decisive for this. The design and dimensioning of cleaning systems is cumbersome, even for experienced engineers. Until now, the selection and positioning of the cleaning nozzles for each individual test run was done manually. The necessary assembly or welding work is costly and causes chips, oily films, or dust. For comparable results, components or surfaces must always be thoroughly cleaned and elaborately contaminated according to defined criteria. An enormous investment of time and effort. In the virtual environment of Advisim 3D, you simulate the cleanability of your specifically configured plant. Import the containers or components to be cleaned directly as a step file. Advisim 3D will create a detailed grid from this file to achieve strong simulation results later. Select nozzles from the extensive Advisim 3D nozzle catalog and position them quickly and precisely according to your experience and requirements. Live preview of spray shadows allows you to validate new nozzles and their position within seconds. All nozzle parameters were determined by a scientific institute under real conditions. Advisim 3D determines the application quantity of the cleaning medium over time for each point of the container or component. Advisim 3D makes reliable statements about the expected cleaning effect. Bases are the volume flow distribution and a scientifically developed model contamination for stubborn contaminations. Apply the model results from Advisim 3D as an experienced engineer to your specific cleaning installation. Advisim 3D visualizes the result of the volume flow distribution and cleaning effect in coded colors and as a report. The optimized nozzle configuration is output in step format and can be transferred directly into the computer-aided design software. With Advisim 3D, the virtual determination of the cleanability is faster and more efficient. Check more configurations in less time compared to analog cleanability tests and reduce your efforts considerably. Test many different nozzles, also from other manufacturers, and validate the optimum design of your system safely and conveniently thanks to virtual cleaning simulation. The Advisim 3D nozzle catalog is continuously expanded on the basis of scientifically determined real data. Advisim 3D is an engineering tool that benefits your entire company. The scientifically based virtual simulation of complex cleaning systems also conserves the most important environmental and company resources. And it does so by preventing oversized cleaning systems and processes not only in the design phase, but also in the operating phase of a plant. What can Advisim 3D do for your company? Let's find out together.